All right, guys, welcome to Greggles TV. We have the new beta update from Samsung, and I wanted to kind of go through it. I took a screenshot, and here's everything that they updated. So you can see bugs that have been fixed continuous display error, malfunction after closing navbar. I'm not going to read every single thing, but basically they fixed a bunch of things. I don't know of any of these issues that I've personally had with it, but obviously some people have been having these issues with the beta. But otherwise, mine's been pretty rock solid using it. Fixed a Wi-Fi NFC connection error when setting as a routine. I mean, some of this stuff, it's like, I would think a lot of people probably don't even use some of this stuff. Fixed background color off issue, fixed call termination in Samsung Message app. And then there is a known issue, which is where the edge and tool panel sometimes does disappear. Now I'm gonna go home. One thing I read that they did change was when you bring down the control panel. Now I have mine, I have mine non-separated right now, but they switched the volume and the brightness. The brightness used to be on the bottom, and the volume for what you were, listen to music, whatever, was at the top. So they've now switched that. They flip-flopped it. I know they did that in the update. That's something new. But what about like the smoothness? Is it still like super smooth or not? Is it buggy? How's it feeling so far? Just to show you. And to me, I'll be honest, it feels just as smooth as the other one. So I'm not sure if they still have that issue. I never noticed it really either. I'm not like slowing this stuff down and noticing it. It just looks super smooth to me. But again, and you see, sometimes when you go to some of the thing, like when I went to that Google thing, sometimes there's still a little bit of jagged edge to it. It's not super smooth, but I don't know if I would blame that on Samsung. Maybe I would. But now it's smooth. You can see it's almost like it needs to open up first before it's like continuously smooth with the animation. Another thing I found, at least I think I found, go into settings, and then if you go into navbar, and then navbar, and we go into the live notifications, and it said maps before, but I could have swore it just said maps. It didn't have the Google Maps notification on there, so that when you're in these apps, they'll have that little live notification. So for instance, like the voice recorder, I'll just have that going, and then I'm gonna open up maps. At the top here, I have my quick notifications, and let's just see let's just put it on the lock screen, see if it shows up. I can't swipe through the map for some reason. It doesn't show up there. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or it's working as designed, but Google Maps still doesn't show up as a swipeable menu item. Also, when you go into Gaming Hub, one of the new things they added was they added the option to set the screen refresh rate with the Game Booster. So if you use the Gaming Hub, which I don't really use it, I know it just kind of turns on or whatever, but I don't really go in here, but you are able to set a screen refresh rate. When you go into the settings of your phone app, this was here before, but I don't think I pointed it out. They have record calls, so you can show a notification after recording. You can look at your recorded calls or listen to them, right? Actually, I think they get transcribed. You can also delete the old recordings as well. So kind of cool that that's built in now. Some people are probably gonna ask about Good Lock. Some of the stuff still isn't updated for this, such as Home Up, I should say, or Navstar. Theme Park is. But some of this stuff just isn't ready for, I guess you can download Edge Lighting Plus. Camera Assistant does work. Nice Catch does work. Nice Shot it looks like it does work because I can download it. Edge Touch. So some of the stuff works, but the ones that I like to use all the time just aren't ready for prime time, such as Navstar and Home Up. Yeah, one thing they still haven't added, and I don't think they will, is when you swipe down from the left, you can see your notifications, but when you swipe down from the right, especially if you have these things separated at the top, it still just shows notifications. I wish it would pull down the quick toggles if I was on the right-hand side. It's kind of annoying that it doesn't. And then, or even at the very least, 2 fingers maybe would do it. That would be great, but it doesn't. Just some minor things that I'd like to see added. I don't think they'll add it, but it would be nice. So as of right now, I'm not seeing a lot of changes within this in terms of anything that's changed remarkably. Everything seems smooth, and in this short period of time, I haven't seen any issues with lag or anything. I mean, that's only, sometimes, like I said, you'll see like a little bit of not smoothness, like when I pulled that the first time again. It's not super smooth when I do that, but otherwise this is pretty freaking smooth overall. And I'm still happy with it. I love the overall direction that they're going with this. It's just it's nice. I like it. So overall, so far, again, not a huge update from what I've seen. Everything is running smoothly, and I haven't seen any issues personally myself, but if anything pops up, I will definitely do another video and let you guys know of any new features that have popped up that I've found. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. And also, don't forget, you can sign up. At least you should be able to, especially countries that haven't had this yet. I know India now has the beta. And if you haven't signed up for it, go to your Samsung Members app and just look at the top, and you should have a banner that says One UI Beta at the top here. You just, kind of go through it, and you should be able to see it. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.